So what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a chatbot which is been created and developed by OpenAI and launched on November 2022. And OpenAI is a research organization that develops artificial intelligence in a safe and a most beneficial manner for us humans. As some of us know, it is also been founded by some of the technological people including Elon Musk, Greg Brockman and others. ChatGPT is a language model and it uses deep learning algorithm to analyze and understand the natural language that we input to it, and it also can generate responses or questions or anything in a conversational manner. Also, there's another platform which is similar to ChatGPT and it's called as Playground, and it has some advanced features and customizations which I will talk about later in this video. So to access this AI, first of all you have to go to chat.openai.com. I have also given this link in my description. If you want, you can use it. And if you are accessing this for the first time, then you have to sign up first. Actually that's easy. You can just directly sign up with your Google account, and once after you signed up, it will ask for a mobile number for verification, and once you are done, you are ready to go. So for example, I'm going to ask some points about Java to a presentation and see how quickly this AI can generate information, and which is very unique. As you saw, all this information within the fraction of seconds. This is just an example that I've showed you, and also you can do more with this. For example, you can ask for an essay or an article in a specific topic, or else if you are a content creator, you can ask for any contents that is related to your channel. And also if you're looking to keep any unique name to start up a business or anything, you can also ask that with ChatGPT. So before we are proceeding further, I just want all of you to subscribe to my channel and like this video, since I was making so much of research to make these kind of videos to all of you. So please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and thanks. So coming to show you all what is OpenAI's Playground. So I have also given its link in the description, so you can check it out. So actually it's similar with ChatGPT, but differs with some of the customizations that it has been given. As you can see, there are a few options available. That for example, if you are looking for an answer for more than 100 words or 200 words, you can select it with this option. And if you go to the scroll down option, as you can see, they have separately specified some of the text commands, or else you can get language changes or anything. You can choose that option, and if you ask any questions related to it, you will get specified answers for it. And if you also go to that more options, as you can see, there are several options available that you can try it for. For example, if you go to this create study notes and give a specific topic and ask for study notes, and it will provide that. And you can also generate interview questions related to any specific topic. And you can also try all these options out, and I have given the link in the description, so you can just try it out for free. And I would recommend all of you to try this chat feature which is available in Playground, to check it out how human-like it is. Actually, it's more human-like more than the ChatGPT's chat feature. Actually, I have tried it out with myself, so if you also want to experience it, please do try it, and you can also feel the difference between ChatGPT and the Playground's chat feature. So that is all about the basics about this ChatGPT and the OpenAI Playground. I would recommend all of you to try this feature out in your free time, and I would also recommend to share this video to your friends who are and excited about these kind of AIs. And also, if you have any doubts or any concerns about this AI or about this video, you can let me know in the comments. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And also, if you have time, please do check out my other videos that's available in my channel. And also, I'll be uploading more technological videos in the upcoming days, and I will see you all in the next video. Until that, take care, peace out.